Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and I am here with a new video for you, and this video will be about my new tools. I don't want to say toys because it's for me really tools, and I will using it for my video and footages, not just for stock photography but for anything else if I need the light. I hope so I make good decision, and here is what I bought. This is really a Lume Cube studio paneling lights. It's in the box. I don't even have time to open it. This will be first time I will open. You can watch it with me. And after I open, I will try test the lights with some video, short video, and with some photography, and I would like to see if it's helping me or not. And also I will let you know if it's a good decision to buy this light, and I will let you know what I like and what I don't like in this lighting kit. Okay, let's go inside, let's go open it and start it, and we will see if this is good decision or bad. Okay, let's go start with opening, and let's find out what is inside. Okay, let me do it this way because it's pretty large, and this is what is it. The light is coming in big bag, what is really nice because you can just grab it and you can go when you need it, and I can say looks really pretty heavy duty. It really looks very strong. No any strap you cannot take with you, but okay, let's go open because bag is the bag, but bag doesn't make lights. Okay, let me turn this way because looks like the right way. How I can show you what is inside? Let me do it like that. You can see the inside. It looks like two lights. It's inside. One here. The other one lights. It's here. Its package is really nice. And what is next? Inside it's a remote control and one tripod, and the other one, what is definitely great. And what is nice, you don't see between the two tripods, it's some material what is helping or preventing for scratches, if I am correct, because it's between the tripods like layers. I love that because you can make less scratches. And what is next? It's the power cord for one light, for second light, and this is for the tripod. You can put the lights on the top on that, and oh yeah, it's the second one. It's right here because I was thinking it's just one. No, it's both, one for each, and some instruction for the lights. Okay, bag is empty, nothing is falling down, it's completely empty. Okay, let's go and check it what is in. Okay, wait with tripods because tripod is not really important in this moment for me, and let's check out first the light. Let me try open one light, and I will put him in the power outlet, and I would like to see how it's working. The lights himself looks really not really heavy. What I like it, and I hope so it will work. And what I like so far, it's the you can control the lights with these doors, but I hear online many review about the door because many people said it's flipping down, it's not really holding well. But let me find out by myself, because if I'm correct, I see some screw on the side, and I don't believe will be problem, that adjust just a little screw on the side, if it's really how people say. But I said I don't know, I will try it, and maybe will work, maybe no. If I'm correct, you can also remove this. I'm not sure how to do, but it's supposed to be easy. Just clip. Yes, you can remove that, and you can use just lights without the light control. Light looks really pretty good, I have to say. Okay, let me put this back in because I will use it probably very soon. And let me plug it in. I just open the cord, I unwrap him, and what I really like is these little things. It's Velcro tape, and if you put cable together, you can just wrap it with the Velcro tape, and everything will hold together again. It really, I love that. This is how it's working, and this means the cables stay secure and will be not everywhere. Okay, I love it. Let's go plug it in. Let me plug the cable inside. Lights is on. You can see it's showing me here. It is already plugged in. And now I turn it on, and you can see this information on when it's lights turning on. It's saying the temperature of the light, it's 2700 kelvins, and the battery, it's 5%. It's showing it's charging, and showing me the channel 1. And now I can open it, and this is how it looks when it's 5% of the lights. Now I can adjust the lights color. You can see the adjustment right here. One is for color and color temperature, and other one is for the 5%. It's not really, I am wrong, it's not really 5% of the battery. It's how many percent of the lights is included. Right now you can see I set up the temperature to 5200, and when I go lower you can see the lights, it's changing. This is 2700, and the maximum when I can go, it's 7500 for the 7500 kelvins. And this is the how much bright it's the light, and this is 15%. And let me start from 1%, and let me go to the maximum, and this is maximum, this is 100%, and this how it looks. Pretty nice and easy and simple. Let me open the other one and put them on the tripod, and I will maybe try something when I can use the lights. I forgot. I have to try this first, because I don't have to try first, but I like to know if it's usable for me or no. But I really love the remote control, because many times you're doing something and you don't want to go back and forth from the camera to the lights, and this will be much simple and much easier. Okay, let me put the battery together and turn the lights off for now, and I will see how it's working. Battery is already in my remote control, and you can see on the display, you can turn it on, turn it off, you can change the channel, and also color, temperature, and brightness. Okay, let's try if it's working. Okay, let's try the turn lights on first. Yes, it's fantastic. And we are in 2700 kelvins, and yeah, when we go to other way, it's changing the color. This is like 6200 right now, and the brightness, it is absolutely great. I love it. I hope so will work, because make any photographer and videographer life much easier. Okay, let's go put him on the tripod and set up the other one, and I have to find out how I can control both lights, but I believe it will be easy. I just have to put the other one in other channel, and I have to switch between the channel. Oh, I forget mention to you, I really love adjust the tripod. I love that because you don't have to screw. It's just, you can just clip it. Both lights on the stands, and I have remote control, and I set this one, it's channel 1, the other one it's channel 2. If you need to change the channel, you have to go where is connected the plug to DC connection. The under you will see small SCH, and this means channel. And if you hold it a little bit, and after you can turn the light's temperature, when you change the kelvins, you can turn it to channel you like it. After you set up the channel you like, you just hold the button a little bit, like second or two, and this will set up your channel. And now let me try use the remote control. Okay, this one is in channel 1, and let me turn the lights on. Okay, this one is on, and I can make the lights brighter. This is 100%, and I can go down, and also I can change the color temperature, from the more yellowish to the colder or to daylight. Okay, this one is working, and let me go to the other one. This is channel 2. I have to switch the channel on my remote control, and now I will turn on these lights, and same. Now I can adjust the brightness and change the color temperature, and so simple. Thank you, Lume Cube. And now if I want to turn off this one, it's just off, and if I want to turn off this one, I have to go to channel 1, and I just push the button, and that's it. It's really easy, and it's working pretty easy. Now I will tested the lights. I will put both these lights behind my camera, and I will see how it's working. I will turn off the other lights what I am using. Now how you can see, it's a little bit darker here, and let me start turning on the lights. Okay, this one is on. This is channel 1, and let me go to let me go to maximum with this one and change the color to 5000, let's say 5500. And the other one, it's next, it's switch the channel, it's channel 2, turn him on, and now let me go a little bit lower, and this is the one on this side is 5500 Kelvin, the other one is same, and this on my my this side I will will be easier for understand. It is 40%, and the other one, how I said before, the other one it's this side for my from my side it's 40%. Let me go a little bit higher with that. This is 70, 85% for this one, and let me change the channel too, and let me pump this one to 200%. This I said, you can see me right now. This other one is 95%, and really, basically, both is a 95% right now. If I can go lower with one, this I prefer go lower with on channel 2, and let me put this one to 75, and this is the distance from my face to the lights. This is 4 feet, and the other one is about 5 feet away from me. Looks good, I hope so. I don't know, I don't have time to see really, and I will put on my computer, and I hope so I will, when I adjust a little bit, everything gonna look really good. Let me try something else. Let me just try this, and we will see. It's working for video and also for the images. I make a little mess, but it's okay. It is part of the video job, and it's part of the stock photography. You have to make mess if you want to look something good. What can I say to the end? I must say I love it for now, the investment, because this light looks really exactly very good and something what I needed. I hope so I will make many nice video and images with these lights. I love many things. If I don't mention something, it's not because I don't want, it's because I forget. Definitely it was really great lights. It's in small package. I love really almost everything. What I really don't like little bit, it's doesn't have the rechargeable battery. You can take out and put it a new one if you need it. I know you can use him when his battery charge. It's you can still use him outside for certain time, but definitely will be much better if I need the second. If I need more time, I can put a second battery inside, and this will be extend my time when I am working with a model or with some my outside project in exterior, and I don't have a connection to the electricity. But I will see. I will try use it what I have. I need him more inside. I really don't. I am not planning using him too much outside, but definitely I will have a few projects when I take him, and I will show it to you on my channel. When I work, I will always put the link behind, the video, the under video, when you can find the product I am using, and I will put also the link you can buy from Amazon or directly to Lume Cube. I will see whatever it's easier for me, but looks like the Amazon is most easier. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope so I give you idea. Christmas is coming, and maybe will be really great present idea for anybody, because definitely the package what I have right now and what I use for a couple minutes looks like it's definitely worth the money. I hope so I made good decision. Just the time will show it to us, but from this moment I definitely absolutely recommend these lights, because it looks like a really workhorse, and he will make me the money I use for the lights. The lights will make me the money back, because I believe will work for me for a couple of years.